It is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for another edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is HOA, which stands for Homeowners Association. The Homeowners Association is composed of a group of elected residents, and they are going to maintain the grounds of a condo or townhome or other planned community. They will create bylaws, and the bylaws will state what the homeowners association is responsible for and then what owners are responsible for. That might be something that you want to talk to your real estate agent about to maybe try and see if you can get a hold of ahead of time, and that way you can talk to your attorney about what their bylaws are and make sure everything that's legally written out works on your terms. The association will typically require residents to pay a monthly fee. That fee could be anywhere from a few $100s a month all the way up to a few $1,000s a month, depending on where it is and what you're paying for. I have typically seen that when you're paying for more amenities like tennis courts and pools and things like that, fitness centers, those do come with higher association fees, but every community is different. Now, your lender is going to make sure that you can afford your fees. So when they're factoring out your finances and seeing what you can qualify for, your fees are going to be something that will change what you can qualify for in terms of a mortgage, because those have to be paid monthly and therefore have to be considered just like your taxes and insurance have to be considered. So that's today's term. If you have any questions about HOA, or if you're looking to purchase a condo or townhome, please feel free to reach out to me at any time and we can go over any concerns that you have. I appreciate you for tuning in today. I hope everyone has a fun and productive and positive start to the new month and has been having a great 2021. We will see you all next week. Have a great day.